Hello Dnation and welcome back. In today's video, based on popular request, I'm going to show you how to clean, maintain and display your diecast collectibles so that you can enjoy your diecast miniature collection for a long-lasting period compared to their bare minimum lifespan. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. So, to begin with, I want to let you know that being a diecast collector, hobbyist or enthusiast is not just about affording or buying collectibles that you want or need for your collection, as there is a lot more to the hobby that really makes you a collector or hobbyist. And one of the top key factors that contribute to this is the importance of cleaning your collectibles on a regular or a timely basis, which is based on your display methods, which we will get to in a bit, so stay tuned. So let's begin with the basic do's and don'ts about cleaning your diecast collectibles, so here we go. Do not use water to wash your diecast collectibles. Do not use chemical substances for cleaning or removing stains or paint bleeds. Do not dry or expose to direct sunlight, as it will cause fading or cracking of paint and deformation of plastic and rubber components. Disassemble if necessary for deep cleaning, only if you have the right tools and guidelines for reassembly. Clean your diecast collectibles with a soft cloth after playtime or handling it to remove oil residue, which will cause rapid aging and discoloration. And with that out of the way, I'm going to show you a basic yet efficient method as to how and with what I clean my diecast collectibles with. So let's go ahead and take a look. So today I'm going to be using this budget-friendly basic 6-in-1 cleaner kit, which comprises of a dust blower, cotton swabs, a plush and a suede microfiber cloth, an anti-static brush and a 25ml spray bottle of anti-static alcohol and ammonia-free cleaning solution. And I would like to let you know that I got this amazing cleaning kit for a really good price, of which I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below, so go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. So let's go ahead and take a step-by-step look. So as we've seen, this is a simple and a budget-friendly method to clean your diecast collectibles. And the importance of cleaning your diecast collectibles is that the lifespan of your collectibles will be increased drastically and will remain as good as they once looked. And with that out of the way, let's move on to maintenance, which is the next essential key factor of being a hobbyist or a collector. Just like cleaning, maintaining your collectibles will require a bit of time and finesse, but will eventually help you retain or refurbish your old diecast collectibles which have minor damages or need touch-ups, so you can add them to your collection and flaunt them with pride. So let's go ahead and take a look at a few items that I use which are cost-friendly and helps me maintain, touch up and even customize my diecast collectibles. So let's go ahead and take a look. And with that out of the way, let's talk about display methods, which is quite a hot topic between collectors and hobbyists. Collectors like to house or display the collectibles in their original boxes which they come in for future resale purposes for the most part. But hobbyists like me like to set our die-cast collectibles free and enjoy their beauty on a daily basis. So if you are a collector and have your collectibles in their original packaging, then there is nothing like it, which I totally stand by, because on the brighter side there would be hardly any cleaning nor maintenance required. But if you are a hobbyist like me, then display becomes an important factor, mainly to reduce dust accumulation and constant cleaning. So let's go ahead and take a look at a few display cases that I've made from scrap wood that I've done exclusive videos on, of which I'll drop the link in the description below. So take a look and let me know what you think in the comments below. So let's go ahead and take a look. And in case you are new to this channel and interested in diecast motorcycles, collectibles and similar content, kindly subscribe to Dnation and stay tuned for a lot of fun stuff coming up. So with that being said, let's place a few of these amazing diecast collectibles on the Dnation turntable and take a look at these diecast beauties in a 360-degree view, and stay tuned for some fun facts on diecast collectibles coming up. A die-cast toy is a toy or a collectible model produced by using the die-casting method of putting molten lead, zinc alloy or plastic in a mold to produce a particular shape. Such toys are made of metal with plastic, rubber, glass or other machined metal parts. Wholly plastic toys are made by a similar process of injection molding, but the two methods are distinct because of the properties of the materials used. The metal used in die casting is either a lead alloy used earlier on, or more commonly Zamak, called Mazak in the UK, an alloy or a zinc with small quantities of aluminium and copper. Lead or iron are impurities that must be carefully avoided in Zamak, as they give a rise to a deterioration of the metal, most commonly called zinc pest. The terms white metal or pot metal are also used when applied to alloys based more on lead or iron. The most common die-cast vehicles are scale models of automobiles, aircrafts, military vehicles, construction equipments, and trains, although almost anything can be produced by this method. Die-cast toys were first produced early in the 20th century by manufacturers such as Meccano, which is Dinky Toys in the United Kingdom, Dowst Brothers, which is TootsieToys in the United States, and Solido in France. The first models on the market were basic, consisting of a small vehicle body with no interiors. In the earlier days, as mentioned, it was common for impurities in the alloy to result in zinc pest, and the casting would distort, crack or crumble. As a result, die-cast toys made before World War II are difficult to find in good condition. And for further information on die-cast collectibles, kindly check the link in the description below. And in case you are interested, and just so you know, I've done exclusive unbox and review videos on all the die-cast collectibles featured in today's video, so go check out our playlist and let me know what you think. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts about this episode, and if you would like to see more like this. And I would like to take a moment to thank all my Dnation subscribers and followers for your constant support and feedback, and it is much appreciated. So kindly continue to support Dnation by liking and sharing our videos, as it would really help us out a lot. And please do check out the rest of the 118 scale and the 112 scale diecast motorcycle episodes, and a lot more fun stuff in the playlist below. And this brings us to the end of this episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, a like, comment and share would be much appreciated. And kindly support Dnation by subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. Also do follow us at dnation.in on Instagram for daily diecast previews and updates, and stay tuned for all new and one-of-a-kind episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.